Welcome to our step-by-step guide on what to do after a personal injury. Whether you've been injured in a car accident, slip and fall, or any other incident, it's important to know the essential steps to take in order to protect your rights and maximize your chances of receiving fair compensation. In this video, we will walk you through each stage of the process, so you'll be well prepared and confident in handling your personal injury claim. The first step, after a personal injury, is to prioritize your safety and well-being. Get to a safe location, away from any immediate danger. If needed, call an ambulance, or ask someone to take you to the nearest emergency room. It's crucial to seek prompt medical attention, even if you believe your injuries are minor. Some injuries may not be apparent right away, and documentation of your injuries will be important for your claim. Once you've ensured your safety, it's time to gather evidence at the scene of the incident. If possible, take photos or videos of the accident location, any visible injuries, and any property damage. Note the names and contact information of any witnesses who may have seen what happened. This evidence will be valuable in supporting your claim and establishing liability. It's important to report the incident to the appropriate authorities or property owners. If you're involved in a car accident, call the police and file an accident report. For slip and fall accidents, notify the property owner or manager and ask for an incident report to be filed. Reporting the incident creates an official record, which can be helpful when seeking compensation. Keep a detailed record of your injuries, including any medical treatments, medications, and doctor visits. This documentation will be important in proving the extent of your injuries and the expenses you've incurred as a result. Additionally, keep track of any time missed from work due to your injuries and any other related costs, such as transportation or home modifications. To ensure you receive the maximum compensation for your personal injury claim, it's highly recommended to consult with a personal injury attorney. An experienced attorney can assess the merits of your case, negotiate with insurance companies, and guide you through the legal process. They will fight for your rights and help you achieve the best possible outcome in your claim. Following these step-by-step guidelines, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to handle your personal injury claim effectively. Remember to prioritize your safety, gather evidence, report the incident, document your injuries and expenses, and consult with a personal injury attorney. By taking these necessary steps, you increase your chances of receiving fair compensation and securing justice for the harm you've endured.